everyone, welcome to the Nyang's kitchen. Today we are going to be doing fish roll. Fish roll is dough that you open up, put in fish, seasoned fish, and wrap it and fry. That's just basically what fish roll is all about. But you are going to see that fish roll, we have basically 3 steps. The first step, we prepare the seasoned fish, which is the filling. The second step, we prepare the dough, which is flour, sugar, oil, salt, and 1 egg yeast. The third step, we now wrap it up ready to fry. So now we are going to start with the preparation of our fish filling. So here we have our fish that has been flaked. This is fresh fish. You just get any fresh fish of your choice. You flake out the bones. Then we have the onion that we have chopped. We have ginger. We like to put a lot of ginger inside, like a tablespoon of ginger. We have generally called in Cameroon general spice. This general spice consists of white pepper, black pepper, thyme, and rosemary. We have just ground it together. We are just going to put it all into the oil and fry. So fry into the oil. We now put in our onion. While we put in the fish. I will now bring in the general spices. If you have a bit of curry powder, you can add it to it. And our fish, we boil it with some salt and maggi, so we don't need any salt and maggi anymore. So this is all about our fish filling. Ready. Now we want to mix our dough. We have 1,000 grams of flour, which is equivalent to 1 kilogram of flour. You can measure it. We have 4 tablespoons of sugar. I don't like a lot of sugar. If you like more, you add. We have 1 egg. We have a teaspoon of salt, and we have a tablespoon of yeast. We have 1/3 cup of oil. Then we have water to mix. So just follow me as we go. So we are going to put in our sugar. We are going to put in our sugar. While we have put in the salt, we put in our yeast. We mix it together. But you are going to mix with your hand. Mix everything together. We now come in with our 1/3 cup of oil. This is to rub in so that it should have a good texture. We rub it in. So when you rub it in, it's like fine gari. Okay, look at it. It can bend and it can scatter. We now put in our egg, 1 egg. We don't need to beat it. We now pour into our water. So we put our water in bits. While mixing, remember we want to get a dough. So we are now putting our water in bits. Just to be careful, let it not get soft. So our table is clean. We now put it on our working surface. Where we work it up. Work it up. So we are doing it, let it be smooth. After rolling your dough, you cut it as I'm cutting right now. the shape you want. Just cut before you roll, so that you should have the same size of it. We are filling the fish into the dough and rubbing. We'll roll it out, we wrap. You bring in the side so that it should not leak out, and you grab. You put in a bit of water at this edge to help it stick. So this is it. Now we are frying. So my oil was hot. I shifted away from the fire for it to step down, the temperature to come down before I put in my dough. So that I should not put in my dough, it just gets burnt because of too much heat. I'll put in the dough on the ground. My fish roll. So the oil is still really hot. I allow it to fry out of the fire for some time so that the temperature can come down. Now my fish roll is ready. So you can take it with whatsoever you want. It's good for snacks. So anyone that has not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please subscribe. Just click the subscription button so that anytime we upload a new video, you can get it. Thank you very much.